You might need to get up your dress thing though. You might get caught.
I don't know how to do it.
You put your feet up on that. Yeah, and then you shuffle back and forth. Yeah, just like that.
It goes nowhere. No.
8 months, Carson.
I was doing it
No,
first.
we told him to.
Oh.
Oh yeah, maybe it just doesn't work.
Have you guys ever done the Overlook?
It's by the quarry. You're not allowed to go there. We're gonna get shot.
Running so fast, can you find me in the dark? Oh baby, close your eyes and listen to the beat of my heart.
Killed the giant mushroom.
Take my hand, don't be afraid. A love like ours just can't be tamed. Take my heart, just feel the beat. We'll leave tonight and run free.
This is where we got lost last year, but this year we are seasoned Shawnee Trail hikers and not gonna get lost because we know where we're going. You're gonna get your hand bit off. Why? Because they're vicious animals.
I hate these.
They're gigantic. Oh, no.
Oh, he's got a soft nose. Oh, cute.
If you don't have any snacks, I don't want it.
No?
Get this leaf out of my
Make it
face.
sneeze, I'm going to be disgusted.
He's got such a soft nose.
Guess you gotta walk. Show us your bread, Kayla. You know what I mean? What in the world are you doing?
My buttons.
Oh, I get it.
These homemade rolls are so good.
Not even in here.
Ready.
We're so ready. Kayla's got her workout face on. We played hearts with Kayla and Carson and Renee after we worked out, and it was fun, and now it's time for sleep. So we'll see you tomorrow. Good night.